Good morning everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, first of all, this isn't going to be a tutorial, but it's more of a show and tell. I've just been tidying some food bits up in my room, and I've stumbled across a bag with these in, which were abandoned a few years ago. And I thought, I don't think I ever shared with anybody how I'd started to make them, and I've no idea, I really wish I could remember, but I've no idea where or who I saw it from, but it was such a cool idea for making tassels, and I just thought I've got to show you. It's with these, and I haven't really seen many, well, I've only seen the one person do it. And all she did was she got a piece of thread, tied it around the end, cut it in half, tassel. And then, well, she obviously put a piece through there as well. And I've just been thinking that if you wanted a fuller tassel, you could just do it like that, just pull those down a bit. But she left these white pieces on. I mean, I've got a bag full of them there, look. Yeah, she left the white pieces, oh, there's one, look, she left the white pieces on so that it was easier for her to sew, you know, so all the yarn, all the threads stayed together. But that would make a nice full one if you just tied some thread round there and then did it, you know, in the top, however you do them. But I just thought, what a good idea at the time, and you know, it saves all the winding round stuff. And I mean, this is really cheap to pick up. You can get a bag full like that for £1 from various places, no doubt. International ladies can get them from the Dollar Tree and such like. But anyway, I just thought I would come on and share that with you. So I hope I've made it clear. Just leave the papers on and get a piece of thread and tie it around the top there, tie it around the top there, put your thread through there, and then snippety snip. Or like I say, that would make a fuller tassel. I was going to say flower then. No, it's not a flower, it's a tassel. That would make a fuller one. Anyway, that was all. Just thought I would show you and share with you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.